My name's Ryan Warner. I work in procurement. I'm a manager for the mechanical locomotive space, and in the Navy, I was a surface warfare officer. Been a mechanical manager for 2 years. It's really been a great environment. I've served 13 years in the military now. My time in the military started right out of high school. I went to the Naval Academy, so I've been wearing a uniform for most of my adult life. In the military, I mostly drove ships and I was in charge of our engineering department. So I was a main propulsion assistant. It's actually been very helpful to have that background in this specific role that I ended up being in now. So as a procurement manager, I get to meet with vendors and hear from mechanical what they're looking for, what they need, and provide them with the opportunities that I hear about. The mechanical side, I think, has been very interesting because just like a ship, in fact, some of the engines that we have on locomotives are very, very similar to the engines I was responsible for on ships. So being able to be curious and interested in both facets, not just my actual job in terms of procurement and getting agreements in place to make sure we have reduced risk exposure, but also just being interested in the product that I'm buying. I think the advice I would give to any veteran considering a career at CSX is if you enjoyed the camaraderie that you had in a military service and you're looking for that type of tight-knit teamwork environment, I think that the railroad is a really good place for that. This industry, we're always on a deadline. The stuff that we're moving needs to get somewhere. When you get the chance to take a breath and zoom out, operating over 20,000 miles of track, thousands of locomotives, billions in dollars of goods. I think that there's an opportunity to be awestruck and inspired by being a part of that when you get a chance to observe it. We're all at the table for the same reason. We're here to be the best run railroad.